Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Watch 4 Active, and I'm gonna show you how to change the wristband on this watch. So to change the wristbands on this watch, first we need to remove them. Pick up your watch, flip it around, and at the back of the watch you should see two hinges on your wristbands. We have one here and one here. And to remove the wristband, simply use your fingernail or something flat basically, and grab the hinge and pull it to this side, because we have this. It's on the one side, basically we need to pull it to this side, to the right. So pull it, and then the strap will pop out. It's quite simple. And let's do this for the second one. So grab it and pull it like that, and then remove the strap like this. Now we have the straps removed. That's how they look like. And if you want to put new ones on, simply find the strap, then place one end of the strap in one of the holes right here, like this. Grab the pulling mechanism again, pull it, and slide the strap in, and then release it, and the strap will lock, and it will hold it. The same on the other side, like this. So put it in one hole. Come on. Oh, like this. Pull the hinge mechanism, slide the strap in. Come on. Like that, and it will lock and will hold the strap. And that's how you change or replace the wristband on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.